If the pure solvent is used, find the value of Ys by analyzing the below single-stage extractor, where Fs are feed and solvent. A0, B1, C01, D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is 0. How many of the following process parameters can affect the welding process? Power, pulses, wavelength, gap joint geometries. A1, B2, C3, D4. The correct answer is 4. Which of the following does not affect the operating characteristics in laser welding? A. Shroud gas composition. B. Material surface conditions. C. Component orientation. D. Shroud design. The correct answer is component orientation. Stages in the extractor are: A. Equilibrium stages. B. Theoretical stages. C. Equilibrium or theoretical stages. D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is equilibrium or theoretical stages. The hot plasma vapor emerging from the keyhole may ionize: A. Shielding gas. B. Shroud gas. C. Lasing material. D. Workpiece material. The correct answer is shroud gas. Extraction includes mixing alone. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false. Every stage of extractor act as mixer and settler in the extraction process. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Pulse repletion factor is considered while determining the welding speed. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. The maximum welding speed varies directly with the power. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.